Let's now take a look at modules and importing. You saw in Zine 1 on page 13 that we said that you must write import turtle before you can give the turtle commands. I'd like to explain a little bit more about what's happening when you do that. Best is if I draw it for you. So imagine you have your program. What do you have available to you to use to make stuff? All right, the first thing you have available is the Python language itself. That's keywords like for, while, if, etc. Okay. The next thing you have available to you is what is called built-ins. So these things aren't the Python language itself, but they come with Python. Useful things like the print function, type function, things like that. The distinction between these two isn't always clear, but it doesn't really matter. Both of these are available at all times for you to use. Then the next thing you have available is what is called modules. You can think about modules as little containers with useful functionality inside that other people have written that you can make use of. Okay, so we're interested in the turtle module. And then you guys have heard of the random module and the math module. So if you'd like your program to make use of these, you have to pull these into your program. The way you do that is by writing the import keyword and then space and then the name of the module, like import turtle. That then pulls the entire turtle module into your program. There's a different way you can go about it, and that's to not import the entire turtle module, but instead import only the little things inside the turtle module into your program. You do that by writing from turtle import that thing. So for example, if this is the forward function, you would write from turtle import forward. Okay, so let's go to the code editor now, and I'll show you that in action. So if you'd like to import the entire turtle module, you can write import turtle. Now your program knows about the turtle module, right? But it's still called turtle. So if you'd like to use anything inside the turtle module, you have to write turtle dot, because that then knows, Python then knows to go look inside the turtle module for that thing. So in this case, let's say we have the forward function. You can use it like that. If you didn't import the turtle, your program has no idea what turtle is. So this should be an error. Name error, name turtle is not defined on line 3. You can rename the turtle to something else. For example, import turtle as T. That's useful, especially if your name of the module is very long and you'd like to shorten it. Then this is going to be an error now because your program has no idea what turtle is. It only knows what T is because we renamed the turtle module as T when we imported it into our program. So that should give us an error because turtle is not defined on line 3. Our program now knows what T is though. Okay, and then the other option that I mentioned is that if you'd like to import certain things from the module itself instead of the entire module, for example, the forward function, you can write from the module name, import that thing. So in this case, forward. This is going to be an error now because your program doesn't know what T is. That would also be an error because your program has no idea what turtle is. We only imported forward. And we can then use forward directly.